Hello and thank you for joining me. My name is Alan. I hope you're all well. Today's video is going to be a bit of a quick one, and it is about some tools that I purchased for my Leatherman Wave. And they are a fraction of the price of the Leatherman bits, and quality and reviews say they are better than the Leatherman bits. Primarily 21 pieces and a 72 click ratchet. Let's have a look. So the manufacturer's name is Galvonox. This is a 21 piece toolkit and comes in at less than 20 quid. So in my opinion, well worth it and much cheaper than the genuine Leatherman parts. These flat bits, as they're called, are compatible with all flat tool multi-tools in the Leatherman range. So it's worth having, in my opinion. So you've got posi drive, Phillips, flat blades, hex head, Allen keys, more hex head, and Torx bits. And right at the top you've got the little Phillips and flat bladed screwdriver for doing glasses repairs. The other item that I picked up is a little diddy ratchet. It is a 72 click ratchet, which is good, so if you haven't got a lot of space you can operate it easily, and of course it is reversible. And quite basically, all you do is remove the bit from the bit driver, and then that just fits in, doesn't fall out. The ratchet takes the Leatherman style flat bits, but it also takes regular quarter bits, so the full hex bits, it takes them as well, which is an excellent bonus. They also do a extension bar, which I haven't got. I've got it on order actually, it should be here tomorrow. And again, it looks identical to the Leatherman one. It's made of 420 stainless, so it's not cheap Chinesium. And again, it's at a fraction of the cost. So if you have a Wave or a Surge or any of the other Leatherman tools that take the flat bits, then seriously, have a look at Galvonox on Amazon. I think those bits are quite handy. If you carry a Leatherman and it takes the flat bits, then it's worth exploring, in my opinion. I bought those, not a sponsored video at all. Just to put some context into it, the Leatherman bit extender is 25 quid. The Galvonox one, 13.95. It's a good saving. The Galvonox bits that I showed you in the video, it's a 21 bit kit, 19.99. The Leatherman 11 bit kit, so it's 10 less, £16.95, but you get 10 bits less. And the ratchet that I showed you is £14.99. And as I say, it takes the Leatherman flat bits, but also enables you to use all 1/4 inch standard bits. Anyway, if you found the video useful, give us one of them. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I'd love to read your comments. Have a great weekend. It's going to be a scorcher. Stay safe. See you soon.